So straps, or if you have a handle, and then just something you can write is carry my back. Okay, a second feature that my backpack has is we have zippers. So these let us close and open our pockets. So I'm going to write zipper, open, close my backpack. And lastly, I'm going to put that mine has pockets. As you can tell, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this just helps me organize my stuff. So find the chart that has your name on it, and then lastly I just have just one question for you. Is what improvement would you make to the backpack? It could be anything that you think a kid your age would like to have or need to have a change in their backpack. And then you can you don't have to draw the whole backpack, but if you wanted, you could just draw whatever change you're thinking of making. So thank you guys all for your hard work. So just a reminder to submit your 3 objects that you want around your house that you wrote down and wrote the function for, to make sure I have your Handiest Things worksheet, your One Handiest Things worksheet. And then this is on our Google Classroom, so just fill out it with your name, your backpack structure, and what improvement you would make. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, bye everyone.